Bugs and insects like cockroaches or wasps can be disgusting and even harmful to customers and visitors at your facility. Groundskeepers and maintenance managers tend to prefer solutions that work and that are industrial strength. But different facilities have different problems, so let's figure out what yours is. When wasps or hornets set up shop near your doors or around electrical panels, it's a serious safety risk for employees and visitors. So a solution might be using Zero-In Wasp and Hornet Killer. It kills on contact from up to 20 feet away, so you stay at a safe distance. It's safe to use around electrical equipment and works both indoors and out. Nothing turns stomachs faster than roaches scurrying throughout break rooms or spiders in the corners of a restroom. Use a solution like Zero-In Sock, Flying and Crawling Insect Killer. It's a broad-spectrum aerosol that knocks out roaches, spiders, ants, and flies, indoors or outdoors, on contact. Spray and pray doesn't cut it when bugs return a week later. So use a solution like Zero-In Roach and Ant Killer. It kills on contact and keeps killing for up to 7 weeks. Targets roaches, ants, beetles, flies, and even ticks. Great for longer-term control. Food prep and dining zones can afford fly problems, but many insecticides can't be used safely around food. So use a solution like Zero-In Food Service Flying Insect Killer. Kills and repels flying insects, leaves no residue, and meets food area standards. Ideal for kitchens, cafeterias, and food plants. Some pests hide where sprays can't reach. Keep crawling out long after you thought they were gone. So use a solution like Zero-In Powdered Insecticide, a long-lasting powder that clings to insects and keeps working for up to 6 months. It's effective against ants, cockroaches, termites, and bedbugs. For large unoccupied areas like garages or vacant units, spraying every corner isn't realistic. Zero-In Wham Total Release Insect Killer. A hands-off fogger treating up to 6,000 cubic feet, and kills most flying and crawling insects on contact. No residue, no damage to furniture.
If you're looking for an insecticide to cover all your bases, check out Zero-In Broad Spectrum Insecticide. It provides fast-acting knockdown and long-lasting residual performance in and around facilities. Across a wide range of commercial environments, this will manage nuisances and disease-carrying insects. If your team is constantly bothered by biting insects like mosquitoes, ticks, or things like fleas, check out Zero-In Personal Insect Repellent. With 14.25% DEET, it delivers long-lasting repellency while providing even coverage on skin and clothing with a non-sticky formula.
One-time treatments or sprays don't always hold. In areas like cafeterias, locker rooms, and docks, bugs can bounce right back. So use a solution like Zero-In Bug Burst, a programmable, metered aerosol that treats up to 6,000 cubic feet for 30 days. Its NSF F1 rating makes it food area safe and perfect for long-term control in sensitive spaces. Why Zero-In? Your time matters, and so does the safety of your team and your facility. Zero-In insecticides are formulated for industrial use, not backyard picnics. They're more cost-effective and powerful than stacking up consumer-grade cans, and they're designed to get the job done the first time. Whether you're managing a wastewater facility, warehouse, restaurant, or school, Zero-In offers the right tool for the job. Ready to stop treating and start solving? Visit www.stateindustrial.com and hit the Contact Us button to speak to a representative and keep nasty and invasive insects away from staff and customers for good.